Assalamu alaikum. I am Warda Khalid and today we are going to study rabies and influenza virus. First of all, we will study rabies virus. Rabies is a disease caused by rabies virus that belongs to the family Rhabdoviridae. It has single-stranded RNA, helical symmetry, envelope, and its shape is bullet-like. It is very labile virus which doesn't persist long in the environment. Heat, drying, sunlight and the common disinfectants destroy its infectivity easily. यानी कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा जो है ना फ्रेजाइल होते हैं और आउटसाइड एनवायरनमेंट में बहुत कम जो है ना ये परसिस्ट करते हैं. सनलाइट, हीट, ड्राइंग और कॉमन डिसइंफेक्टेंट से इजीली डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं. Rabies जो है एक क्लासिक ज़ूनोटिक डिजीज़ है. ज़ूनोटिक डिजीज़ आर द डिजीज़ दैट इज स्प्रेड फ्रॉम एनिमल टू ह्यूमन. Rabies is known as disease that make dogs sick and mad. It may start to bite. First of all, the virus attack the central nervous system and is excreted later in the saliva. और इसी saliva से जो है ना डॉग बाइट के ज़रिए ह्यूमन में ये ट्रांसमिट होता है. By the time the symptom appears, the disease can no longer be cured and almost always end in death. Coming towards its pathogenesis, the virus is transmitted to human by the bite of a rabid animal. Infected saliva entered through the bite wound. Virus migrate to peripheral nerves, then the spinal cord and end up in the brain. The brain becomes inflamed and many functions of CNS are affected. The effect on the brain causes aggressive behavior which make the animal to attack and bite without any kind of provocation. यानी कि provocation के बगैर ही जो है ना वो animal bite करना शुरू कर देता है. The virus spread by the nervous system to the many of the tissues of the body including the skin, the mucous membrane and the salivary glands. In prodromal phase, patient may have a fever, vomiting, headache, loss of appetite and the pain at the site of the bite. The effect on the autonomic nervous system manifests as copious salivation and weeping. The next phase is hyperactive phase. It lasts for about 1 to 4 days. Easily excited and bite anything close to it. The person affected become hyperactive and terrified of water called hydrophobia. Hydrophobia भी हो जाता है patient को. The next is the paralytic phase. This stage lasts from 1 to 2 days. The viral damage to motor neurons results in the paralysis. It is the first sign of paralytic phase of the rabies. Loss of the jaw muscle tone results in the dropped jaw. Paralysis of the throat muscles causes drooling, inability to swallow, and is followed by death due to the respiratory failure. Coming towards its diagnosis, in developing countries, the disease is often diagnosed on the basis of history and the characteristic disease picture. In animal, the diagnosis is made by detecting the virus in the samples of brain tissue from the dead animal. Detection of negative bodies. These are the cytoplasmic inclusion bodies in the neuron. Detecting negative bodies in the dog's brain is pathogenomic for rabies. The next is the fluorescent antibody technique that is 99% accurate and mostly used nowadays. Its prevention is just to avoid stray dogs. If animal bites, wash the wound with soap and water. Protection against tetanus must be ensured. The vaccination is available. Killed rabies virus vaccine is available. 3 intradermal injections are needed. The first 2 with an interval of 1 week and the last one 3 weeks later. This vaccine provides protection for 3 years. The next we will study influenza virus. Influenza virus belongs to the family Orthomyxoviridae. These are the RNA viruses. They are enveloped viruses. Its size is about 80 to 120 nanometer in diameter. Roughly spherical filamentous forms are available. Its genome contains 7 or 8 pieces of segmented negative strand RNA. Virus can only replicate in living cells. 3 types of influenza viruses are available, A, B and C. Influenza virus A, B and C are very similar in overall structure. Now we study little bit description about the types of influenza viruses. Influenza viruses A are the most virulent human pathogens and cause the most severe disease. This virus mutates rapidly. The next is influenza virus B. It is less common than influenza virus A. It mutates through 2 to 3 times less than type A. The influenza B is usually acquired at an early age. The influenza virus C infects humans, dogs and pigs, causing severe illness and local epidemics. Less common than the other types and usually cause mild diseases in children. Now we study its transmission. The three main ways of transmission are occur or followed by the virus. Number one is by direct transmission when contacted with sneeze of an infected person, by inhaling the aerosol of the infected person, by coughing, sneezing and spitting, by indirect transmission from either contaminated surfaces or the personal contact such as handshake. People with influenza are most infectious between 2 to 3 days after the infection and the infectivity lasts for around 10 days. Children are much more infectious than adults and shed virus from just before they develop symptoms until 2 weeks after the infection. Influenza can also be transmitted by bird droppings, saliva, nasal secretion, feces and blood. Coming towards its clinical manifestations, the symptoms of influenza can start 1 to 2 days after the infection. Coughs are the most frequent symptoms. Fever of about 100 to 103 Fahrenheit with chilly sensations, headache, fatigue, aches, especially joints and throat. Nausea and vomiting, particularly in children. Deadened eye, nose, face and throat. In children, GI symptoms such as diarrhea and abdominal pain severe in the children with influenza B occur. Coming towards its complications, severe infection in young and elderly can occur, leading to the secondary bacterial infections with H. influenza and S. pneumonia, may cause fetal pneumonia and otitis media. Influenza spread around the world in seasonal epidemics, resulting in the death of hundreds of thousands annually. The following influenza B infections, some children develop a serious condition called Reye syndrome, in which cerebral edema and fatty changes of organ, especially liver, occur. Coming towards its prevention, the trivalent influenza vaccine TIV is available that contain purified and inactivated material from 3 viral strains. Vaccination against influenza is often recommended for high-risk groups such as asthmatics, diabetics, heart patients, children and elderly. The vaccine is formulated for 1 year. Influenza viruses can be inactivated by sunlight, disinfectants and detergents.